Hey guys, so today I'm going to be throwing some different objects at you. So you see, the thing is, I just think it's really fun to like throw things at the ceiling fan. See how fun it is. I'm not talking very loudly because my mom's upstairs, so. Whoa. I'm going to throw these rings at it. Maybe I won't throw the bean back. Now we're gonna get even more. Now I'm gonna do some puppets. Next puppet. Stuffed animal. Pretty nice, huh, guys? Rubik's Cube. Oh. Whoa, guys. Goodbye, guys. Oh my god, guys. It literally broke into a million pieces. See, look. Oh, look at that. Bro, I totally destroyed the Rubik's Cube. Anyways, see you guys. Lastly, before we go, I want to show you what happens when you throw this bouncy ball, yoga ball at the ceiling fan. Whoa. It's a miracle my ceiling fan didn't break. Anyway, see ya.